Hey there, I'm Ciara and I'll be sharing with you 5 healthy, easy, no fuss breakfasts that will help start your day on a high note. Let's talk about why these breakfasts are not only delicious, but also healthy and balanced. Overnight oats check all the boxes. We have protein from the milk and Greek yogurt, fiber from the oats, chia seeds, cacao powder, banana, strawberries, and healthy fats from the peanut butter. Together, these nutrients slow down digestion and provide long-lasting energy so that you can start your day strong. Now, I know that oats and sweet breakfasts have been controversial on social media lately for spiking blood sugar. But here's the thing. Oats contain nutrients, antioxidants, and a special type of fiber called beta-glucan, which actually helps slow down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. This means a steady release of energy, not a sugar crash. As for sweet breakfasts, yes, if you eat simple sugars like cereal or pastries and nothing else, that will cause a quick spike in your blood sugar. But whether your breakfast is more on the sweet side or the savory side, the key is balance. A breakfast made with whole ingredients and a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats will keep you full, energized, and satisfied for hours, whether it's sweet or savory. That's why overnight oats are such a winner. They're nutritious, versatile, and easy to prepare. You can experiment with different flavors and toppings so they never get boring. And for busy mornings, they are a lifesaver. Prep them the night before and you're set for days. So I included the ratios in the description below in case you want to try it out yourself. For this recipe, it only yields a small serving since I don't usually get too hungry in the morning, so feel free to adjust the portions based on your appetite level. Now let's jump into the next breakfast. Cottage cheese is one of those ingredients that can complement almost anything. It has a mild flavor and creamy texture that make it ideal for both sweet and savory dishes. Plus, it's a complete protein source, so it can give any dish a nice protein boost, which we all love. You can also use ricotta cheese. Ricotta's been quite popular in social media lately, if you want some variety. But cottage cheese really elevates pancakes. I especially like having chunks of it in the batter. Just don't overmix the batter so that the pancakes come out fluffy and moist, just as they should be. So with this pancake version, we have cottage cheese, an egg, and Greek yogurt for our protein, banana and blueberries for fiber, and peanut butter for healthy fat. If you don't have cottage cheese, it's actually not always available where I'm from, you can omit it and go for classic banana pancakes. It'll still make a yummy and balanced breakfast. I like making these on weekends with my son. They're easy, kid-friendly, and a really feel-good breakfast option for the more relaxed mornings. Our next breakfast is probably the easiest one in this video. Let's check it out. a super easy breakfast, but sometimes low effort can lead to high reward. This yogurt bowl is quick, well-balanced, and delicious. We have Greek yogurt as our main protein source, which I would sweeten with a bit of honey just to balance out the sourness. When choosing Greek yogurt, look for one with simple ingredients. Just milk and live active cultures with no added sugar or unnecessary fillers. That way, you get all the good gut health benefits from the probiotics too. For fiber and natural sweetness, we've got the banana and dragon fruit. And for healthy fats and texture, we've got ground flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and a nice dollop of peanut butter. This yogurt bowl is completely customizable. You can swap out fruits or toppings depending on whatever you have at home. It's a no-fuss breakfast that just takes minutes to make but sets you up for a great morning. Now we move on to the savory breakfast, starting with a cheesy classic. I call these breakfasts ridiculously easy because you don't need a long list of ingredients or mad cooking skills to make something delicious and nourishing. Take this breakfast quesadilla. It's simple, satisfying, and completely customizable. If you've got mushrooms, bell peppers, microgreens, avocado on hand, go ahead and make your quesadilla extra. But if you just have the basics like spinach, egg, cheese, you can still whip up a balanced meal with what you got. The key is to make sure that all your macros are covered. Eggs, a breakfast classic, are a complete protein source, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids that your body needs. For complex carbs, we're using whole wheat tortilla, which keeps you energized longer than refined carbs like white bread. Spinach and cherry tomatoes add fiber, vitamins, minerals, and a nice burst of freshness. And finally, cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? It's our source of healthy fat, but for higher quality nutrients, try choosing unprocessed cheese from the deli section of the grocery rather than the processed cheese slices, which often contain additives. Quesadillas are versatile, easy to make, and a great way to sneak in some greens in the morning without feeling like you're eating a salad. For our last breakfast, we have something flavorful and plant-based. beans and lentils are often overlooked, but they're some of the most nutritious ingredients you might have in your kitchen. In this recipe, we're using white beans as our main protein source, and this will create a hearty, plant-based breakfast that's delicious and balanced. Whole wheat bread is our complex carb source, while the olive oil adds healthy fats. And having a side of fruit like blueberries and kiwi provide more fiber and vitamin C, giving your immune system a nice boost. It's a quick, simple breakfast and an easy way to get more legumes into your diet. And those were 5 easy, healthy breakfasts to try out, customize, and possibly have on repeat to make your mornings nice and convenient. They're all designed to give you energy, keep you full until your next meal, and provide all the nutrients you need to feel your best each day. As long as they're made with whole ingredients and cover the essential macros, they will help set you up for a great day ahead. So what are your go-to healthy breakfasts? I'd love to find out through the comment section. Now in the Philippines, where I'm from, rice is actually a common breakfast food. However, white rice is sometimes frowned upon in diet culture because it's refined and carb-heavy. But hey, if it's part of your culture and you love the taste, we can still make it part of a balanced diet. I talk more about it in this video if you want to check it out. And for more nutrition, wellness, and motivation, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.